Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll be unboxing and reviewing this Parkside cordless glue gun. Right, so here we have the Parkside hot glue gun model PHP 500E3. I bought this from Lidl supermarket here in the UK. It cost me only £9.99. So for that I thought I'd pick it up. It looks like a decent little tool and it is cordless as well, so that really got me interested. And I picked up some extra glue sticks while I was there, also for £2.99, which again I think is very cheap. So it comes with the 3-year warranty. That's great, a 3-year warranty on a glue gun for £9.99. Rated power consumption is 25 watts, but 500 watts when heating up. The heat up time is approximately 2 minutes, and that gets it to 150 degrees Celsius. Max temperature is 200 Celsius. Operation: power cable cordless after heating up, so it's in a docking station while it's getting hot, and then you can lift it out of the docking station and use the glue. Glue capacity approximately 20 grams. Accessories, you get 3 times 18mm glue sticks, so you only get 3 with it, so that's why I bought the extra sticks. Great for bonding and sealing as well as craft projects. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. So you get the user manual. You get the 3 glue sticks already in the case here. Then you get the glue gun itself, which looks a nice item. It's got a nice rubberized grip here. Bearing in mind it is only £9.99. It has a little independent rest here. Trigger button. Okay. And then you get the kind of docking station arrangement where you can put this on your desk and let it charge up. It comes with a figure of 8 or like 2-prong power cable, and I've noticed that first of all this goes into the back of the docking station to power it up, but I suppose it can also go directly into the bottom of the glue gun itself, as you can see there. But anyway, I'm going to use it with the docking station now and see how it goes. So I'm going to use one of the provided glue sticks, install it, and just push that in there. Okay, and then the trigger should pull it the rest of the way through. There's a light on the back here. I assume that tells you when it's ready or when it's charging. So yeah, feels pretty good. Let's get it charged up. Now then, for charging it, I can plug the cable into the back of the docking station. Just make sure it's plugged on at the wall. Okay. So the docking station itself has a nice little sort of drip tray here, in case some glue drips out the nozzle. This can be directly then pushed in to the docking station, and the light has come on. So it can be left in this position or pulled up in this position when you're ready to lift it off the docking station. So that's now charging, and you can see at the back the red light is on. So I'm going to give that 2 minutes. Right, so it's been over 2 minutes now, so the gun should be ready to use. I've just got a bit of scrap pine here to give it a test on, so we can take this out now, see how it goes. Got a nice smooth flow of glue. So you can rest the glue gun while you're using it on the little frontal stand, and then when you want to heat it up again you can put it back on the dock. So I've got a bit of scrap plywood here. I'm just going to stick this down to the glue I've just squeezed out, just to get an idea of how strongly it sticks. So you can imagine if you just want to temporarily hold something in position, you could just quickly stick it, one piece of wood to another, and within seconds it's cured and it's stiff. So that can be really useful in awkward situations when you just want to temporarily get something in place, and then you can get some brad nails in later on, or if you're doing crafts where you just want to quickly stick something and you don't want to wait hours for the glue to dry. I think this glue can also be used to seal as well. So if you've got some small gaps that you want to seal up to keep something airtight, it can be used for that also. So that's now stuck. It's actually stuck quite well. Surprising, I can't even get that off. There we go. You can see how well that just stuck that. Quite impressed actually. So I have to say, for £9.99 I am very impressed. The glue gun I was previously using was this one here, and it came with these little thin sticks. I would even say that the glue provided with this one is better quality glue as well. This is just a little hobby corded glue gun, but it's quite annoying to use. As you can see, when you try to set it on its side, the cable kind of just pulls it in any direction. It takes ages to warm up as well, a lot longer than this one. So good if you very rarely use a glue gun, I suppose, but for £9.99 I really don't see the point of owning one of these. This has the benefits of corded and cordless. You can keep it on the dock, use it cordlessly, and then put it on the stand there while you're using it, then flip that up, put it back on here. It's got a drip tray, it will reheat. Or if you don't want or don't need the docking station, you can just use it corded. So if you broke the docking station or you misplaced it, you could still use this gun. Corded and cordless. And if it does break after a few days or a few weeks, you can always return it because it has that 3-year warranty. Okay, so that is about it for the review. First impressions of this cordless glue gun. I'm amazed that in 2023 you can buy a cordless glue gun such as this one, which it feels well made. It has plenty of features and it works quite well for under £10. £9.99 is what I paid for it. Very impressed. The trigger's nice, the rubberized grip is nice. I like the way that you can use the figure of 8 sort of standard power cable, plug that in or remove it, so you've got the option for corded or cordless. The little docking station is fine, and it even has a little drip tray. You've got a secondary rest here when you want to rest it while in use. I didn't see any drips from the nozzle whatsoever. It heated up quite quickly within 2 or 3 minutes, and the glue provided seemed adequate as well. It even comes with a carry case. So if you did find this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.